This video shows how to buy shares of Eolus AB using the ticker EOLUB.ST as the reference. Eolus AB is a Swedish wind power developer listed on CBOE EU. This is educational content and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and then add funds to place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker EOLUB.ST to locate the listing. Verify you select the Eolus AB entry that shows trading on CBOE EU. On the asset page, you'll find basic company information and a price chart for Eolus AB. Double-check the issuer name and ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. Click Investor Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued. If you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order completes. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow these steps.